1 hour into joining Instant Cash Solutions, and it has changed everything about the way I look at online marketing.
Platinum membership sale that came in for $500. So far it's brought me $1,700 from that.
I joined Instant Cash Solution and made a profit within 7 days. Unheard of in the online business.
All I had to do was go into the back office, go through the training and create a plan and implement it. It was easy to do, and within a couple of days I had people signing up and money was coming into my bank account.
Now, if you are looking to make money on the internet, it's scary out there. Okay, there's a lot of moving parts and a lot of things to try to figure out on your own, right? But Instant Cash Solution really breaks that all down. It provides step-by-step training in the back office, so you can start earning $100, $200, $300, and even $500 instant commissions sent direct to your PayPal account.
First week I did just a little posting and I made 2 gold sales, and I've never made sales that quick in any other business.
If you follow the system, you're going to make money. Plain and simple.
Within 24 hours of me joining, I had my very first sale and over $7,000 my very first month in Instant Cash.
And if you really want a business in a box, because this system provides everything for you to be successful, I want to encourage you to take a close look at the system and review all of the information, give it your honest review, and then I promise once you look at the system, you'll be willing to jump in with both feet like I
The month of February. So I've got 3 days left, and I'm already $14,600 for the month. This is January, $11,000. December, we have the holidays in there, so we got $7,300 right there. And in November was a great month as well, over $16,000 in Instant Cash Solution. How to copy and paste ads right here. We have all the information, all the ads, all the display ads, all the Craigslist display ads. Actually, you guys, we've got about 25 brand new Craigslist ads that are just killing it right